Yeah, most of us had some old style electric air dusters around, which didn't do much more than just blowing a little bit of dust around. But the new generation of air dusters like this Fanttik one are much more powerful, so we can do much more. They have better charging possibilities, usually more attachments. By the way, I got it from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but still my honest opinion, and you will be able to see everything in detail here anyway. So this is what I got here. So first, of course, this really nice, beautiful air duster with these tips here. So without it looks like that. What we also have here, what's awesome, we have this built-in light. So when I turn it on, no matter what level I'm using, it's activating this light, and it's a real beauty from the front, from the back, from everywhere, even charging port. Absolutely amazing and super easy to use with one of these tips. For example, this one here, which I've been just using to inflate a super size pool float in just 1 minute. You can see, just rotate this clockwise and then it sits super tight, cannot be blown out. And then after rotating counterclockwise, removing it, and then we can use, for example, this one here, really nice one, has these extended lengths and even this really nice brush here, absolutely perfect for computer cleaning. And then this rectangle, very long nozzle, round, long nozzle. So we have a huge variation, but most of the stuff you can already do with this universal nozzle, which I like the most. And so this comes super handy, for example, when you want to remove the water from the trash bins, from the rain from the previous night, or even some leaves from the porch, dust from your computer stuff, cleaning out filters from your vacuum cleaners, also something which needs to be done. And so this thing is absolutely perfect for that, and it's super easy to use. We have this switch here in the back, so we can just push this up here, goes into level 1, push up, goes into level 2, and from any of these levels we can push here in the front to activate the turbo mode. And this is so strong that we can even inflate a birthday balloon. And the turbo button can be used from any of these levels, just not when it's off. The light is automatically activated in any of these settings. Nozzles can only be used in the front, but not in the back. But usually when you have larger openings, for example, from pool floats or so, you can still use it to remove the air from there. That worked easily for my super size pool float. And what's absolutely awesome is it did never overheat, and yeah, we have a lot of protection here built in, especially overheating protection, which I think is the most important thing. And it does not only have one sensor, it has even multiple sensors for overheating protection. Yeah, this Fanttik B10 Pro literally blew me away. So nice, so cool, so versatile, powerful. Of course, I think it's not the absolute most powerful air duster or mini jet blower these days. There are even more powerful ones, but then you have to pay a little bit a higher price. I think it comes also at a very decent price. At the moment, I think around $39, while usually these super strong ones are more like $60, $70, something like that. And so you have to decide. So if you want to have something super beautiful, still convenient, quite powerful, then this could be still the perfect choice for you. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Fanttik B10 Pro jet duster, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.